Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, an amazing video for all the maths lovers. This is the video in which I am going to take up the numbers which are near to 50, and for simplicity's sake I will be taking both numbers which are either below 50 or both numbers being above 50, and we will see how to get the product or to multiply those numbers using an amazing short trick. This short trick is actually the chapter number 2 of the magic multiplication tricks of our ebook of short tricks, and if you want a compilation of all the short tricks which are required to crack competitive exams, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can find the details of these courses, amazing courses, in the description also. Fine friends, watch the complete video. Very special thing. Let's see the first question. 41 times 46. So if I have to multiply 41 by 46, I'll write them one below the other and then put a vertical line and a horizontal line like this. Now 41 is less than 50. How much less than 50? It has a deficit of 9. So I will write a minus 9 here, and this has a deficit of 4, so I will write a minus 4 here. Now when I multiply these two, negative will automatically become positive, and so this is 9 4s are 36. Now what to do with 36 I will check later. Now either do this, that is 41 minus 4, you will get 37, or do 46 minus 9, you will again get the same thing, 37. Now 37 is an odd number, and if you take half of 37, you will get 18.5. So let me just separate this using a slash and write 18.5 here. Now the first thing you have to do is to forget the decimal. So this becomes 185. Now since it has two digits here, retain the unit digit, and this tens digit is to be carried forward to 185. So 185 becomes 188, and if you write 188 here, this will give you the product of 41 and 46. It is 1886. Now let's check what happens when we do 43 times 49. Here is 43 and 49 separated by a vertical and a horizontal line. Now this has a deficit of 7, so minus 7. This has a deficit of 1, so minus 1. When you multiply these two, you get 7, a single digit number. And now the important thing. Here the difference between these two is 42. So 43 minus 1 is 42. And the difference between these two is again 42. And half of 42 is 21. And now comes the important step. Because you have this as a round figure, here we had a decimal, so we considered only one digit here. But since this is a whole number, I need to take two digits on the right of this vertical line. So 7 I will be writing as 07. And now write this half of 42, 21 here, and check using the calculator. 2107 is the product of 43 and 49. Isn't that amazing? Two different questions, two different tricks, and we could multiply them so quickly. Let's extrapolate this method now. Here we have two numbers which are above 50. So if I write 59 and 52 like this, separated by a vertical and a horizontal line, this has an excess of 9 over 50. This has an excess of 2 over 50. When you multiply these two, you get a two-digit number 18. What to do with this? Let us check in the next step. So when you add like this or add like this, you are going to get 59 plus 2 61, or 52 plus 9 61, which is an odd number. And if you take the half of 61, you will get 30.5, which is a decimal. Now what did I tell you in the previous question? Separate it using a slash and write 30.5. first thing is separate this decimal out or filter it out. Forget it. So 305 is the number. Now you need only one digit from the right hand side. So the 1 carries forward here and 305 becomes 306, giving you 3068 as the product. Now coming to this question, 48 and 43. Again deficits, right? So when you check, the deficit of 48 from 50 is -2 and the deficit of 43 is -7. When you multiply these two, you get 14. And let us check what happens when you subtract like this. It is 41. Subtract like this, it is 41 again, and half of 41 is 20.5. Now again a decimal. So write 20.5, forgetting the decimal, so it is just 205. Take the unit digit 4, carry forward the tens digit 1, it is 206. So 2064 is the product of 48 and 43. Things will get simpler if you start doing many questions of the same trick. Let's see here, 59 times 54. Vertical line, horizontal line, this is +9 and this is +4. Multiply them, you get 36. Separate it out using a slash. Add this, you get 63. Add this, you get 63. Odd number, 31.5. It is in decimals. Forget the decimal, 315. Write the 6, carry forward the 3, 318. So 3186 is the product. One more time, 55 times 53. If you put a vertical and a horizontal line, this is +5, this is +3. So when you multiply these two, you get 15. Separate it out using a slash. Add like this, you get 58. Add like this, you get 58. Now 58 is an even number. Half of this is 29. So what do? We need two digits here. So 29 is already there. So 2915. We don't need to do anything with this, and that gives us the product of the numbers. See friends, how wonderfully the trick works. And if you practice 40-50 such questions by taking random numbers which are close to 50, then you will find the beauty of this trick. So friends, do subscribe the channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and don't forget to click the bell icon along with the subscribe button. You need to hit the bell icon for getting all the notifications of these useful uploads on Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Do practice this method and let me know whether the trick worked for you or not. All the best.